Yo! What's poppin', Low Gang? It's me. We're back with another vlog. Yeah, we on that grind. I just woke up. It's about 4:24 a.m. right now. Yeah, we are about to get a very nice day going on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, guys. We've been up for about 5 or 6 hours. It's right now it's like 4:35 a.m. So we just got our daily workout in, and I just ran my 40 to 30 kilometer run. Beautiful weather this morning, and yeah, right now I just thought it would be a good idea to do a little room tour for you guys since we've never done anything like that. So let's do it. This is my room. This is my setup. Sorry if I flex too hard. And these are my slaves that slowly generate money over time. Make sure to smash that like button and the subscribe button, and make sure to repost, share the video with your friends, and reblog. Aw yeah, guys, we're gonna do our day video now. Day 169. Bro, yes! Yes! Yeah,